What's up everybody, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your white label login domain on your GoHighLevel agency account. First you want to click on settings on the bottom left and then select the company tab. Then scroll down a little bit and you can see the white label domain field right here. And in this field we're going to insert our CNAME, our subdomain, whatever you want your login domain to be. So in this case we have chosen my dot and then the main URL. You could also use app dot or login dot, something like that. So let's stick with my dot for now. After that, you want to hover over to your domain service provider, which could be, for example, Namecheap, GoDaddy, Crazy Domains, and other platforms like that. In this case, we select Namecheap. You want to select your main domain and you want to create a CNAME. Hit new record. You want to select CNAME record because that's a subdomain. Then here you want to put my or app or login, right? Whatever you put in front of the full stop right here. So in this case, my. And in the target field, you want to place
whitelabel.ludicrous.cloud.
Then you want to hit save, and that's it. Also, you want to make sure that you upload your logo up here at the top. Then you want to go ahead and place your privacy policy URL in this field. And if you have terms and conditions in this field, just go back to your sites, find that link, and then just hit save, scroll down and hit save update company. And that's it. Now you can see here is our white labeled branded domain, and this is the login section where your customers will log in. Here you can see the terms and conditions which we've just placed and the logo at the top. And this is how easy it is to insert your branded white label domain. I will see you in the next video.